everyone to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use simpleCart.js or JavaScript in Adobe Muse. I'm using the version of 2013. I didn't upgrade yet to the 2014 version, so it just has to wait. So I created this very ugly, but it's just for demo purposes, website, and it just empty page with some extras on, like a title, a button to the cart, and then it goes to this page. So we don't have anything more than that. So take for instance, you got a website and you want to use Adobe Muse because you like the program, but you think I want a web shop, but there are so many web shop types, but I want to run it my own so I can manage it by myself. Then it's simpleCart JavaScript or simpleCart.js, something very good. It's you can find it at simpleCart.js.org. You can find anything, even tutorials. But now we're gonna talk about how to use it with Adobe Muse. To start with, you just have to take your page settings of your page layout that you're gonna use. So here we have all the A type, so we can use the A type for this. So here it says the HTML for your head. Already got your file ready, and there you have to put in this file. I will give, once it is in Muse, some more details about it. This will say the script source is simpleCart.js. Then simpleCart, the checkout method is now set on PayPal, and the PayPal email account is now you@yours.com. So this is all you have to put in this head. Then you can go to your home or your shelf, what we're now going to do, and then you want to go to object and use HTML. So and then you want to use a simpleCart shelf item. Wait here. So this says from the simpleCart shelf item, this is the name from your item, this is the quantity type, that is stock inside, and then this is your price, and then you can do add to cart. So this will pop up like so. So we got this, the awesome t-shirt, and then we want to also have into our cart another HTML, and this HTML will be using for is the simpleCart items. So this will be sure that everything will work, so that it will pop up everything that simpleCart knows about that item. But we also want to be able to empty our cart, so then we use the empty snippet like this. simpleCart JavaScript class is simpleCart empty, and also a checkout button. This is very important to add this one. But if you want to have the files, they will be all linked down in the description of this video. So what we then gonna get is another file which don't says anything, so that's not much. And then we can save these up. So let us just save this. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna export this, and let us say demo.com, and then you get this. You see, if we go back to our homepage, awesome t-shirt, default is 1. You can change this to 4, 7. Let us now take 10 to see what it's gonna get. It normally should be 359.9, but will it do it? If we go to add to cart, then go to our cart, you see, yeah, the price class is alright. So what this only problem is, everything is stacked, and we don't want that. So how we can change this? It's very easy. You just go back to your page settings, and then here you just set a comma, and then cart style is table. And then once we export this, you see everything is in a table. It's very nice now. You can add very easy, and then you can remove the item. So these are the basics. Now we're gonna go a little bit deeper into the CSS. You can do it like this. So if you see here, what we've put in here is the simple cart empty, but it won't pop up like a button because it will not show anything. So how to change this is just go to between these two caps. Here we put in empty, yeah, and then here checkout. So once we save this, you will see empty and checkout here. For a little bit more styling, we'll put this into a center. You're not supposed to do that, but I like it, so I just do this. And then the full width of the page is also very nice if you use it. Then over here, like this, and a little bit more scaled up, like here. So, and then this we also gonna style. We're gonna just copy this, or yeah, we can do it the other way too, like this. We can add a new file, and now we want to have awesome skirt, and we want this at $25.99, and then you will see how this also pops up very nice, and they're next to each other. So once we've exported these, you see we can add these to our cart, and then oh yeah, they're inside, and then you can go empty them, and then we add them back again, and then you can check out, and then it will automatically go to PayPal. And you see here it says your total price, and then you can put in your payment information. Now yeah, it's a stock version, so it's this, but if you got a PayPal account, you can put in here your own logo and so it's very easy. So what you also have to in consideration, now all this works with me, but you have to do something that I already did but was forgot to take on camera, so we'll do it again. You go to simpleCart.js.org and you hit this big download button. This will download a file which calls Wojo Design simpleCart.js 5189A38 on the day that I recorded this, of course. And then you have to take these two files, simplecart.js and simplecart.mine.js, and these you have to put into your file where you're exporting to. So in this type is Muse export, and then if you can see here, it already is inside this. So this is now a working example of how everything works. But one problem that we have is, if we go to here, you see these apart from each other. What is the price? But what is the price if you put it on, let's just say, if you put here a few of these, and then you don't want to count this manually. I know if you check out, then PayPal count these together, so it's not that hard, but we like to have our customers have that same experience. So we were talking about the cart, so now we just got empty and checkout. It's not a lot of options that you have, but we also want to show the people how much the total cost will be of this cart. So we go to our file, and then over here we will see the grand total. This is what we're gonna need. So if we put this in Muse, underneath that we've got our grand total. Then what maybe, wait, we're just gonna put up this. So in Muse nothing will change, of course. So we close the cart, and then over here, yeah, you see that you have your cart, but you won't see how much is inside your cart. So we're gonna change that by adding a centered widget, HTML I mean, sorry. While I'm busy with excusing me, I also want to excuse me for my bad English. I'm a Belgian, so I have to be a little bit, yeah, just give me some credit for it. So if I'm not coming out of my words, I hope this doesn't bother you. Just set it into the description and maybe I'll take English courses. So what we want now is that we see here how many items we've got into our cart. So we use the simple cart quantity code, and this is what we put in here. And then there's also one pop-up because inside Muse this won't work, so the preview screen over here also won't work with the simple cart. You always have to export this, so let us just set this here, and then if we export this, it automatically should open it. And now you see we've got 9 items into our thing. And then once we change these, and we go back, 7 items. Oh yeah, and here you see our grand total. It's very nice, and then it automatically changed with it, so that it works. And then yeah, it is to 0. So we now can empty, but it's already empty. And if we go check out, PayPal also will say your shopping cart is empty. And also here we will see 0. So if we add here, we'll see that too. So here, and then we can also use the empty again. Voila, it's that simple to use Muse and simpleCart with each other. I also do a more in-depth video of how to use the styling and so, but that you can watch at another time or by just clicking at the annotation if you are watching onto your computer. If you're watching mobile, I will put a link in the description to the other video of more in-depth view. I also will put the files in the description of where you can get this file with everything you need. I will also put some more details with everything so you know what to do. And I will also set up this Muse project. I will also set it on a web server where you can download it in a zip file. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want more videos of this kind, or you want a special question about Muse or simpleCart with Muse, or just simpleCart or Muse or something else, you can just ask me in the description, or you can just send me a mail at this email address. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.